So, good evening. Tonight we have the conclusion of the repair of the throttle position switch for Clay's 450 SEL model year 1980, which had the predecessor of the KE Jetronic already installed as sort of a leading up to it. And we were very lucky, as we can see. We got a 05. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is an 05 545 86 or 85. That is hard to read. I think when you clean it up, it should read like an 8. Yeah, it's an 86. And we had here, his one was an 05 05 545 5024. So this was the version which had the two holes on it, or mounting brackets on it. And the interesting thing is this: the cover is exactly the same as you can see it here. And you can see that on Clay's switch, all of this back part was missing, where this wire goes in basically here. So the remaining part of whatever was on here, we look at this, was like this. This all burned up when the previous owner in Texas had a fire on this. And what I found out is that on this unit, actually, as you can see here, the side piece is not fully molded on there. It's not one piece, but it actually has a space in here. And you can actually cut through it with a knife, like this here. And what I did is I heated the knife up, and we can take a look inside. If I can open it now. See if I can get around it. That's basically how they open. They have a minimal amount of glue on there. And there it is. And it looks exactly the same as his switch. Everything is exactly in the same position. There's no differences. And when we look actually at the covers, we can see that they were made almost, I would say, on the same injection molding machine. You can see the mold marks. This is these ones here. This here. I have to zoom in for you. Let me see. Oops. The cable got tangled up here. Let me zoom in. Here you can see it. These are the marks from the molding machine. These here. And you can see that they are exactly in the same position on both of them. So these cups, these covers were made on the same molding machine by the same company, except that they had a different top plate on it for the two different part numbers. I first read this as an 85, but it is actually an 86. And this was the one which is the 5024. So we have an 8624. And these part numbers with starting with 005 are no longer in the database for Mercedes-Benz. So we can see that now clearly. This had actually the mark in it later on. Who made them? That is LK. I'm not quite sure on who the manufacturer is. But we can see that all of the marks are exactly identical. So they were made definitely on the same machine. They use a lower mold and an upper mold where they blow this in. And on the upper part, that's where they engraved the part numbers. And that comes then out like this. And the same goes for the bottom piece here. When we look in this here, we can see this. You can see that 2 or 3 wires came loose over time. But they're still in the original thing, and you can see now here, when we rotate this, it works perfectly. This unit here had a felt ring sitting on the inside here, around the outer part here, and I transferred that felt ring into the new switch because this one didn't have it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to apply a little bit of glue. We're pressing this together in place. And then I have this glue here, which the railroad people probably know what that is. Yep. It comes out, and then you just go basically on top here, and you fill that into the cracks, just like this, and you let it harden out. And that will do it. And in about, I would say, 15 minutes or so, this is going to be completely cured. Here we need to apply some pressure, and we're going to pour some in here. And that's basically how they assembled them, except that they probably had a machine to glue this in place. And we tested, of course, the electrical functionality on this item already. And that's it. So the other thing is, this is one of the reasons why you don't wash the engines on a Mercedes-Benz with any form of water, because that water will go in there and it will basically destroy everything. So now we have you can see this stuff almost starts welding the plastic immediately. And we will have this now sealed. And that's our switch. And I have to thank Jan from Classic Saab Story on eBay, who is from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. They are specialized in recycling parts, or basically, what do they call it? Yeah, parts supply for Saab Charlie 900 turbos, C900 turbos. And he had this part with the throttle body, and he sent us the whole thing. This is the 380 SL throttle body where this unit came off. And you will see that we can put this back on almost. Yeah, that would fit. And this is how this sits on Clay's car. And he has this actually on the other side where they have the ports coming out. And these ports here, and he has a third port coming up on top, and that's why they didn't have any room on the 450 engine when they incorporate this. So they changed the throttle body a little bit, but the switch is basically the same. And Mercedes-Benz has neither one of the two part numbers in their system anymore. Yeah, and that concludes it. So next weekend, we're going to be putting this switch in on his throttle body, and we will then put the intake manifold back in, and then we're going to deal with our most favorite item, the Jetronic system. In his case, it's an early KA, or one of the first KA Jetronics, which Mercedes-Benz utilized. And we will be able to not get the car running because our world champ decided, before he contacted me early this year, I think it was in January, he did this last year, about a year ago, he took it on himself to clean the fuel distributor. And we did some preliminary tests yesterday with the fuel distributor being out of the car, and how well he did. And well, he's gonna tell that yourself, you guys, when we're gonna do the video next weekend. What we did yesterday was not worth doing a video for us. We basically rebuilt the fuel pump system on his car. He had already a new fuel pump in there and a new fuel filter. He had a mechanic shop here in Kansas City work on it. They had taken out the tank and cleaned the tank out for him. And I guess they had some, I wouldn't say disagreements, but they couldn't agree on a price tag to get the car to work or what have you. Anyway, he picked the car up then, and that was when he ran the car, and that's when he had the gasoline coming out of there, and that's when he contacted me. But the repair shop did what most people would do, is they start on the back with the fuel delivery system. And so we buttoned that up. We put 5 gallons of gas into the car yesterday, and we already refilled the power steering system, and we ran the power steering pump of an electric drill to get the system bled and free of air bubbles and cleaned out and that sort of stuff, so we don't have to deal with that when we're going to start the car up when we get to that point. And we still have to check the warm-up regulator, so that might be still working, and that's all coming then probably next weekend. So, but this was the conclusion here of the story. For those folks who deal with parting out cars, I would suggest, because of the difficulty of having electrical parts like these here available from Mercedes-Benz or other manufacturers on these old cars, it would be nice if you guys could take them out of the vehicles too, all of them, no matter how trivial it looks, because eventually we're gonna run out of them or have run out of them, like you saw in this case here. And then the only source for these parts will be you guys who are specialized in parting out these vehicles. So please don't cut switches off on the wire. I know it reduces the time to disassemble that, but a lot of those switches and electrical parts, sensors, wiring harnesses, and that sort of stuff is no longer available. And you might be the only source for something like this to actually to be able to get a old car or older car going again. So, and with that, you have a great evening. And next week we should be joined by Clay again when we're putting his intake manifold back in. With that, you have a great evening.